To set repeat notification times in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the auto screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select advanced settings, and then tap notification reminders. You must turn on notification reminder first. If off, tap switch until on, and then tap remind every, and then select time you want, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes. Get periodic reminders about notification from selected apps and service. Clear notification to stop the reminders. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.